What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back in another video. I know you guys have been seeing a lot of NBA game recaps and stuff like that. Hope you guys are enjoying. That's something I want to add on the channel. I'm going to be doing that more consistently. I dropped like 6 videos in the last 2 days. I haven't been talking about shoes or anything like that, but today I thought I would go and check out the Tiffany or the Island Green Air Jordan 13s I dropped today. I might do a little on foot review. I don't know yet. I haven't seen them in hand yet. A lot of people have been talking about them. I've seen a couple of reviews on YouTube so far, but I'm still like on the fence about them. So if I do cop, it'll be just strictly for you guys. And if I don't cop them at all, I'm still gonna show you guys some good detailed reviews in the store, and I'm gonna throw them on foot in the store as well so you guys can see how they look on feet. I got these jeans on right here, some nice blue denims, and I feel like that go perfect with that nice island green colorway. But if you guys have not checked out the review over Air Jordan 4 Winners, you guys need to go check it out. You know something wrong, go check out that review and on feet over these Air Jordan 4 Winners. Very dope shoe. The on feet was very clean. I like all the jeans options.
Really, nigga?
I like all the jeans options I showed you guys, and you guys will definitely enjoy it. So go check out that video, the latest. I think this is the latest review I did on the channel. You guys also know I picked up these Air Jordan.
Really, nigga?
I picked up these LeBron 7 red carpets. Very dope. I was just about to throw the red laces in there, but then I seen that it was like too much going on with the upper lacing system, so I was like, I'm gonna keep the black laces in there for now. But make sure you guys go check out that unboxing and leave a like. And like I said, you definitely want to go check out this one. I got this review out a month early for you guys. Check it out, leave a comment, and let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 4 Winners. And they are waterproof, man. If you haven't checked out the water test, go check out my boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. I know y'all tired of me rambling, but if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be going up live tonight, playing some Call of Duty, playing some 2K. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but you guys definitely want to stay tuned for that live stream. And like I said, check out all the NBA game recaps that I dropped. Very dope, nice little commentating videos. And as y'all know, I'm a big fan of the NBA, and I felt like I can, you know what I'm saying, elaborate on how I felt about some of that game. So if you guys like NBA, if you guys like basketball, you are definitely gonna enjoy those little commentating videos. So with all that being said, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. I know I'm talking fast because I gotta get straight to the mall, check out these shoes, come back, finish the vlog up, just so I can, you know what I'm saying, give you guys my thoughts and opinions over these Air Jordan 13 Island Green / Tiffany's, man. Let's get it. All right, we about to head into the mall. We just pulled up right now just so we can check out these Air Jordan 13 Island Greens, like I said. And I might check out what else they got in the mall. You know, I'm not a big fan of doing that whole mall vlog, showing you every shoe they got, because the shit getting old to me. So I'm gonna see how these 13s looking, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna throw them on feet, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so yesterday I went up here to check out the 13s, and I went in there, I got some B-roll, I showed you guys the shoe, put them on feet and everything, but the quality was just super trash, so I cannot post that. I'm going back up here to the mall. Y'all see it in the background over there, or whatever it is. And I gotta show you guys again some better lighting, some better quality, and hopefully the music isn't as loud as yesterday as well. So we're gonna go in here and give you guys some nice looks, some actual nice looks at these 13s. I want you guys to give me your opinion on these Tiffany / Island Green 13s, man. So with all that being said, we're gonna jump right. So here we have them, man, the Air Jordan 13 Tiffany's. Got some better lighting. Check me out, man. I'm in a fitter room right now. I'm not even gonna cap. It's pretty loud. You can still kind of hear the music over there, but I want to give you guys a better look at these and see how you guys really feel about them. I know a couple people's on the fence about these shoes, and me as well, but when you see them in hand, this is like the perfect lighting. Yesterday the lighting was trash. I probably put like a little 5-second clip of how the lighting was yesterday. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, they're going. But these are way better. Like the nice suede right there, nice little brush strokes, and right here like the leather, it's kind of like a reptile look to it. Then again, you might get like a alligator feel to it. I don't know like the actual quality, but it's pretty much like a perforated leather, but it's different. You know, regular Air Jordan 13s, it's not come like that. You still get the little whiskers or whatever, but you don't get this tattered leather or reptile leather theme. And same with the 23 on the ankle, man. It's like metal. It's probably like a cheap little plastic, but it still looks different, man. Nice little touch. I'm really digging how they did this. At the 23 right there, the Jumpman engraved into that metal plate. And on the outsole, you get like a platinum, I guess like Tiffany theme Jumpman right here. Usually hologram down here, but it's like a, it's kind of like a diamond or something. I don't know what to really call it, but it's definitely standing out. Too bad a lot of people won't see this because of course it's on the outsole. But you also get a carbon fiber plate right here. and black and white, and then outsole is Tiffany colorway. Got some white podge, got some black right here, and yeah, let's see what the lace tips is looking like. Just regular lace tips, nothing fancy. But on the tongue, I want to point this out as well. They have a metal Jumpman as well, man. Very dope, very nice touch to the shoe. And to me, this is probably one of the best 13s released this year, and probably the best like non-OG colorway 13 release in a long time, man. Honestly, I don't even remember the last 13 I picked up besides the Laker 13s, and these are, you know what I'm saying, killing the Laker 13s. I feel like I was gonna cop the Laker 13s because LeBron was there, but the colorway wasn't like a Laker theme. It was more of like a white and purple theme team. So I was like, I'm gonna pass on them. But these right here are very dope. Nice leather right here on the toe box. You see the Jordan right there. And yeah, man, very dope shoe. I can't complain. This will be a pickup for me, but you know, it's a lot more stuff coming out. And yeah, it's just a pass for me right now. But you guys let me know how you feel about them. Leave me your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm gonna throw these on feet real quick, let you guys see how they look. And then we're gonna wrap it up at the crib, man. Alright, so we are wrapping up the vlog, man. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out those Air Jordan 13 Tiffany / Island Greens. A very dope shoe, like I said, but it's not something I need right now. It's a couple more shoes coming out, like the What the 4s, Bread 11s, and a couple more releases that's going to be coming up on us very fast. So I would definitely advise you to save your ducats and wait till around Christmas time. It's going to be a couple of dope sneaker releases. Oh, and as well as the Mmml.la ones. I definitely want to cop those. I took an L on the Defiant ones, but the yellow swoosh and then the black swoosh on the other side. So I definitely want to get these Mmml.la ones. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know y'all missed like the sneaker content like that. I'm just going to be adding new stuff on the channel, like the game recaps. Tonight, I will be going live playing Call of Duty, so you guys make sure you tune up. I'm about to throw this video up right now, edit it for you guys. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below if you cop the Tiffany 13s or if they're a pass for you. And let me know what you're going to go after this month of November and the beginning of December. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your boy. Right around the corner from 20K. We right there, man. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Link will always be in the description box below. Like I said, stay tuned for the live stream. Right when y'all see this video, y'all might be seeing me up live on Call of Duty, man. So appreciate all of the support. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.